Ah, look at us, Johnny. We're driving.
I know this area of town. They won't find us here.
They'll never find. Oh, you hear that, Johnny? Sounds like we got coppers.
Goddamn coppers. I'll shoot them all.
Yeah, shoot them out, Johnny. You'll shoot them out, okay?
I'll roll down this window.
You'll roll down the window,
Yeah,
Johnny.
and I'll shoot them.
Damn
coppers.
It's a loud fucking window, Johnny. You shoot them. Ah. Alright, Johnny. Alright, that's enough. Ah, now that we stole all this gatorade, Johnny. Ha!
I drank half of mine already. Delicious.
Ah, it's really good. Ah,
I don't think there are more coppers.
looks like there's no more copper. Yeah.
Yeah, we got away. Now where
That's
are we
right.
going?
We're gonna go to New Mexico, Johnny.
Why not Old Mexico?
What's my name again?
Ming Pao?
That's right. I'm Ming Pao. Hi, Johnny.
my anorexic friend.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What's that outside the window, Johnny?
It's a copper.
Oh, not that. I mean is that a stampede, Johnny?
Oh my God, they're coming right for us.
Oh man, maybe. We won't know till post what direction they're coming from, Johnny.
Look, there's a train too.
Ah, alright. Don't make things too difficult for me. Ah!
Oh my God, there's an asteroid.
Alright, Johnny, please. Look at that, Johnny. Oh, the cops are coming.
Oh no, I'll shoot them all.
Oh boy.
Oh, they shot
no.
my hand.
Johnny,
Ah!
no!
I'm bleeding out.
What are you gonna do,
I'm
Johnny?
Okay, cut the shit. I'm bleeding out. I'm fucking bleeding.
Dude, Johnny.
My hand.
Dude,
We gotta go. We gotta get to me.
New Mexico.
Yeah, and find a
Oh.
hospital.
Fuck, dude. We're in fucking Birmingham.
How far away is New Mexico?
I don't even know where Birmingham is. I think that's in the UK or something.
I don't care. I'm bleeding out. We need to get to a hospital now.
Ooh, I'm driving fast. I'm driving fast, see? Look at me go. I'm really fast.
I'm getting faint.
Okay, Johnny, drink some Gatorade. Drink a Gatorade, Johnny. We got the power juice. It's power juice. It's not just Gatorade, Johnny. It's power juice. Oh, fuck. Johnny! Woo! We gotta go, Johnny. Looks like we're driving off to Power Juiceville. And see? I literally, did you see what I did?
No.
When we ended, I was like, looks like we're driving to Power Juiceville.
Now,
Do you know how long it took to do this shit? It took us like 30 minutes to set this shit up. And it's a 4-minute video that was completely improvised.
we got to do more with this shit.
This is fucking stupid.
Yeah. Why did we do this?
We bought a green screen. And we don't even know what we do with it. This is what we do. We didn't even know what we were doing tonight. You know what? We were trying to film a video of us sacrificing one of our friends. Okay, we went to a middle school, and cops showed up. And so we were like, what the fuck are we doing? We're just doing this. Cops showed up.
Because there was a robbery.
Right,
Of course there was a...
Let's not go too far into it.
I'm sick of this mediocre shit, man.
and scene.